and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The victims of the WazirX crypto hack have more pain than resolution. The Singapore High Court held a hearing on May 13, 2025 regarding WazirX's restructuring efforts following last year's $230 million crypto hack. Although no final decisions were made, the court extended the moratorium on claims until June 6 and asked the company to submit further affidavits by May 23rd. So the latest updates from WazirX has injected cautious optimism into its user base. Now, the restructuring plan, which aims to compensate users affected by the July 2024 hack, is now under court review. According to WazirX, a strong 93.4% of users supported the proposal, which outlines a potential distribution of up to 85% of users' stolen funds. If approved, the company says distributions could begin within 10 business days. Ukraine may be the first European country to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve with the help of crypto giant Binance. Ukraine MP Yaroslav has confirmed that he is going to present a bill to the parliament soon, which will be aimed at establishing a national Bitcoin reserve. Now, still, Ukraine remains a crypto-friendly nation and is currently rolling out sweeping reforms in its digital asset space. The move also follows global trends. Binance founder CZ had earlier encouraged Kyrgyzstan to add Bitcoin to its reserves. Sui and 21 Shares have solidified their partnership with renewed efforts to increase the adoption of Sui on a global scale as institutions show increased interest and a major increase in the on-chain activity. The strategic partnership between the Layer 1 blockchain and Switzerland-based ETP provider has been officially announced on May 14, indicating a closer relationship between the two companies after initial news on May 1. Sui reports that among the initiatives to be supported by 21 Shares, there will be joint product development and research. The news comes at the time when Sui's decentralized finance ecosystem sees tremendous growth. According to stats on DeFi Llama, Sui has now become the 8th biggest blockchain network, with TVL amounting to almost $2.6 billion, a 70% increase over the last month. The Ethereum Foundation has introduced the $1 trillion security initiative to improve the network's security. This project focuses on enhancing the safety of Ethereum wallets, user experience, and smart contracts. Its primary goal is to enable secure on-chain asset management for individual users and institutions, aiming to protect trillions in value on Ethereum. The initiative marks a significant step towards a more secure and reliable blockchain ecosystem for all users. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code. The US SEC has pushed back its decision on a proposed spot Solana ETF, with the crypto industry now looking to the deadlines for the Polkadot and XRP-based ETFs in June. The SEC pushed its decision on listing Grayscale Spot Solana Trust ETF on the New York Stock Exchange to October 2025, according to a May 13 filing with the US SEC, or the security regulator. The decision came the week after the SEC delayed its ruling on Canary Capital's Litecoin ETF, Bloomberg Intelligence analyst James Safat wrote in a May 5X post. The Pi Foundation has officially launched Pi Network Ventures, a major development venture funded with $100 billion in Pi and USD. This activity aims to increase the token's use, adoption, and value in the real world. Now, as per the announcement, Pi Network Ventures will fund startups and businesses that use Pi innovatively, whether in product, service, or daily transactions. The initiative focuses on turning Pi from a widely held token into one that is widely used in real life. Now, funding comes from 10% of tokens set aside for the Pi Foundation, a non-profit organization designed to support Pi's long-term growth and sustainability. At Consensus 2025, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson announced an ambitious new initiative, the Glacier Drop, a massive airdrop tied to the upcoming launch of Midnight, Cardano's privacy-focused sidechain. The Glacier Drop will distribute Midnight's tokens Night and Dust to 37 million wallets across 8 major blockchain ecosystems: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Solana, BNB, Avalanche, and Polygon. So Hoskinson emphasized that the airdrop will not only include any allocation for venture capitalists. "No VCs, just the people," he declared during his speech, marking a departure from the common industry practice of rewarding insiders and institutional investors. BTCS, a US-based blockchain tech company, has embarked on a significant investment initiative targeting Ethereum. In a strategic collaboration with ATW partners, BTCS is setting forth to issue convertible bonds, raising up to $57.8 million. Initiating its plan, BTCS has already issued $7.8 million worth of these bonds, with further issuance contingent upon mutual agreement. The capital raised is slated exclusively for Ethereum acquisition. WazirX has launched a new actively managed ETF designed to invest in stocks and financial instruments, offering exposure to digital economy, the asset manager said on May 14. The WazirX On-Chain Economy ETF is listed on the CBOE exchange and aims to provide investors with broad exposure to companies operating in the blockchain ecosystem, including crypto miners, exchanges, infra providers, and crypto-oriented financial tech platforms, WazirX said in a press release. Additionally, the fund, which will be actively managed, may also invest in crypto-related financial instruments, but will not only hold any cryptocurrencies directly, according to the press release. Metaplanet has released its Q1 financial year 2025 earnings report. The company reported total revenue of $6 million, an 8% increase quarter over quarter. 88% of the total revenue, around $5.2 million, was derived from Bitcoin option premium harvesting. The remaining $712,000 came from its hotel operations segment, underscoring a significant shift in the firm's financial focus. So Metaplanet's Bitcoin holdings, bolstered by the recent 1,241 BTC purchase, totaled 6,976 Bitcoin, more than El Salvador's national reserves. The firm has now achieved 68% of its 2025 goal to hold 10,000 Bitcoin within just over 4 months. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.